Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to monitor activity on WordPress website using plugin. So we are going to monitor user activity. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. So we are going to track user login and logout to ensure services level agreement, and also we are going to monitor activities like post, page and custom post type changes such as status, content change. Also monitor widget changes, user profile changes, access login, plugin and theme changes, WordPress database changes. So we are going to monitor all things using plugin. If we are going to deactivate or activate to install plugin, that also record. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add plugin. Then in search plugin write WP activity log. So this is plugin we will use, so click on install now and then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated and then you see message pop up, thank you for installing WP activity log. Would you like to run the setup wizard now? If you want, you can click on yes. If you want, you can click on no, so it's up to you. Note, you can adjust all the setting configured in the wizard later from the plugin setting page, so it's up to you. Now close. On left side you see WP activity log, log viewer, notification setting. So you can do setting here. Now you see activity log viewer. Now you see ID, date, and then you see user, IP address, object, event type modify, and then you see message. Also you see user and then you see username and then you see user role. Then on left side you see notification, so click on it and then you see activity log highlights, daily activity log highlights email. If you want you can enable. Now you see weekly, so it's up to you. So we disable it and then click on save notification. Now done. On left side you see settings, so click on it. So we are in plugin setting. Now you see dashboard widget, yes. Admin bar notification, no. Admin bar notification update, you see multiple setting, so you can do setting according to requirement. Now you see advanced setting, so click on it. Again you see reset plugin setting to default, and then on left side you see enable disable event, so click on it. And then you see code. Now you see description. Now you see fail login attempt. If you want you can enable or disable event. Now you see event code. So in this way you can track all WordPress dashboard activity, user activity. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.